Step 1. Pick up the car body and rotate it to point it vertically. Push the car body into the front pieces, the car lights, and the bumper. Rotate back to horizontal cab side up. Grab the car body again and rotate to the other vertical side. Push the rear bumper and lights. Rotate back to horizontal. Grab the car and place it on the supports. Place the steering column into the front end of the car. Now grab the cooler and place that on the end. Three blocks will be used for the windshield support. Next, grab the windshield and place it on top of the supports. Now grab the windshield with the connected supports and place it on the front above the steering column. Now grab the car off the supports. Rotate the car body horizontally. Grab from the side and place into the wheels. Place the car back down horizontally and rotate to the other side. Now flip and place the last two wheels. The car is now complete.